Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to teach online using Zoom in a simple, clear, and professional way. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to present lessons smoothly while keeping students focused and engaged. To begin, make sure you have the Zoom app installed on your computer and that you're signed into your account. It's best to use the desktop version because it offers more control and stability when sharing your screen. Before starting your class, also check that your internet connection is stable and your microphone is working properly. Next, open Zoom and start a new meeting. You can use this as a practice session or go live with your students right away. Once the meeting window opens, look at the control bar at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find all the tools you need, including the share screen option.
Before you share anything, prepare your lesson materials. Open your presentation in PowerPoint or Google Slides and make sure everything is ready. It's a good idea to close any unnecessary tabs or applications and silence notifications so nothing interrupts your session. When you're ready, return to Zoom and click the Share Screen button. A selection window will appear showing different options. Instead of sharing your entire screen, choose only the application window that contains your slides. This keeps your lesson clean and prevents students from seeing anything unrelated. Once your screen is being shared, you'll see a green border around your presentation. This confirms that everything is working correctly. As you teach, speak clearly, move through your slides at a steady pace, and avoid unnecessary mouse movements to keep your delivery smooth and professional. If needed, you can switch what you're sharing at any time using the Zoom controls, which gives you flexibility during your lesson. For example, if you need to move from your slides to a document, a browser tab, or another application, simply click Share Screen again and choose the new window you want to display. Zoom will smoothly transition to the new content without interrupting the session. This is especially useful when answering questions, demonstrating something live, or adjusting your lesson based on student needs. Just make sure you always select the correct window to avoid showing unnecessary or private content. Taking a moment to confirm what you're sharing helps you stay organized and maintain a professional presentation throughout your class. That's it. This is how you can teach online with Zoom. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like to see. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, easy-to-follow tech tutorials.